Okay, welcome to the third quarter of English 12. You made it through A Tale of Two Cities, and we're ready to start something completely different, and that is a research project. This whole quarter will be focused on one thing, and that is the research project. So I want you to take a deep breath. Don't stress too much because, it is a big project, but we're going to be working on it over the next 9 weeks so that you will hopefully not feel overwhelmed as long as you are doing everything each week that you're supposed to do. So I'm going to keep this introduction short because this resource right here that says Watch Introduction to the Research Project will introduce you to everything you need to know, at least at this point, for what we're going to do this quarter. I want you to make sure you watch that, and just note that if you are in the general group, that what this video says is mostly true to what you're doing. If you're in a Tier 1 or Tier 2 group, the assignments will be modified and you'll be accommodated so that the assignments will be shorter and maybe a few fewer assignments. So basically the final project will be a little bit shorter. So anyway, so this week you're going to start off doing the STAR reading test. I know you did that in quarter 1, but it's required for you to do it 3 times this year. So we're going to do it this week. I want you to watch this introduction very carefully. There's also kind of a written introduction to the research paper that you'll be writing. And then you need to read and sign this quarter 3 agreement that basically says you understand that this project you'll be doing in steps, and you need to turn everything in order. It's not something where you can skip steps or turn in the paper first and then go back and do the outline. You need to turn things in order, and you need to turn things in on time. In most weeks, you'll actually get extra credit for completing your assignments by Friday of the week instead of waiting till Monday or Tuesday to get things in. This is just to encourage you to do things in the week that they're due and to not get behind, because this can be a really fun, educational quarter, but if you get behind, it can be overwhelming. So I don't want you to get behind and fall into that trap. So that's why I'm going to have you read and sign this agreement. And one other thing that's not in this week showing yet is I will be adding a sign-up for conferences with me. During this quarter, you're going to conference with me on your research project that you choose, and we'll get some one-on-one time together. So I'll send out a sign-up sheet in the first week. If you have any questions, let me know, and this is going to be a great quarter. Looking forward to it.